how to go paperless for Chase Bank statements on the website. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be providing you with a step-by-step guide for that. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and get started. So for that, we can start by opening up chase.com here. And once we open up chase.com, we can just go over and look out for the section for statements and documents. Under accounts, we can find statements and documents, and there we can look out for this section here. So we have this section for statements here. We can go to statement section, and under statement, we'll be finding option called paperless. So go ahead and tap on that option right there. And once we tap on paperless option, we'll be taken to this page right here. Now within this section right here, we can just go over and look out for our paperless settings available. We can select it up and open it up, and within paperless settings available, we can just go over and choose what we would like to have paperless, the individual account or what. Again, look out for all documents, statements, and notices and letters, etc. Select up the document that you would like to have paperless, and you can just go and tap on save, and you can just go and confirm it up, and you can check your responses for accuracy and click on submit. And after submitted, you can just go and track your claims to monitor its status, and that's it. So you can just go over and follow up this process if you'd like to go paperless for Chase Bank statements on the website. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and